Guys, I have a secret to tell you. I'm going backpacking in Europe for a month in less than 30 days. And I needed a travel laptop. So I got one. It's unboxing time. You guys want to know what's in here? I bet you do. So while I'm in Europe, I still need to be editing YouTube videos. I'm hoping to get a few months ahead, but you never know what might happen. And plus I like coding my apps and doing stuff, you know, working on my laptop. But I have to return the main one I've been using back to my job over the summer. And the 2015 MacBook that I had before doesn't support any of the new OSs. It holds me back as far as like the new features I can implement when I'm building iOS applications. And it freezes every 5 minutes when I'm video editing. So it's time for an upgrade. Now I got what I believe is the best travel laptop that Apple makes for a really good price, right? This isn't one of those $3,000 things that is unnecessary and will be half the price in a year anyways. This is something special. And if you are traveling a lot, or edit a lot, or do music production stuff a lot, and you still have a really, really old laptop for some reason, or anything for 2020, you might like what you're about to see. I need to open this one. So I originally got a MacBook 2015 a few years ago, 3 years ago I think, 2 years ago, in order to learn how to build iOS apps for iPhone. And that's what I did. And it worked great, and it only cost me like less than $500 for that laptop. But before that, I'd only ever worked on Windows. But I kind of fell in love with the workflow. I feel so much more productive on MacBooks than Windows laptops. Maybe that's because there's not as many video game options, but honestly I think a huge part of it is just the simplicity, efficiency, and I love being able to have multiple desktops that you can just swipe really easily between. It's like a really great way to work. The fact that you can't do that on Windows is kind of dumb. I love the exclusive applications they have. Logic is a very professional music production software that doesn't exist on Windows that a lot of my favorite artists use to produce music. So I'm really excited to get into that. And honestly, when you have an iPhone, it just makes transferring things, airdropping, all that stuff work a little better, a little easier. So I'm still going to keep my Windows desktop, but as far as laptops go, I'm switching to Mac because it's great. And honestly, they're the only good keyboards I've ever used on a laptop. They're the only good trackpads I've ever used on a laptop. They do things really well. All right, you guys want to see what's in here? Have you seen it yet? I can see exactly what's in here. It's a charging cord. I probably gave it away actually because it's not. Anyways, it is a MacBook Pro 2021 M1 chip. Oh, it feels so good. There's a huge crack on this. So that's not ideal. I did buy this refurbished, but really it only matters if it works well. So, enormous scratch is not as advertised, so that's not great. But I can always get a case, but who knows. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, the keyboard feels so good. It's so clean, the trackpad feels so good. It is booting up. All right, guys. That's the video. I'm really excited to test this out and see what kind of videos I can make on this. Why is this in Japanese? And, oh, it's in Arabic now. Oh, no, it's Japanese still. I think I just have to click whenever it's on English. So expect some more videos about this laptop coming out. I'm going to compare it directly to my custom PC with really good specs and talk about my experience. And I'm really excited to use this throughout Europe. So stay tuned for more, and I'll definitely post some of my travel stuff while I'm over there. And I'm going to be making some review videos of the hostels I stay in, and I'm going to be talking about how you can go backpack Europe for a month too, and how I did it, and how I'm getting paid while I'm there. All right, this is the video. Thanks so much for watching. Peace.